Hello, myself Dr. Kailash, consulting dermatologist and medical director of Clear Skin Hair and Layer Center, Kannur. Today we are going to discuss about most common pigmented skin growth called mole. Mole appears as small, raised, dark brown spot, though the skin color can range from pink to black. Normally, the pigment producing cells called melanocytes are evenly spread throughout our skin, though they can grow in clusters to form moles. The medical term for moles is nevi. Mole can exist at birth or appear later during childhood and adolescence. Most adults have 10 to 40 moles. Most moles are harmless, but in rare cases they become cancerous. However, monitoring of the existing mole and sudden multiple new eruption is an important step detecting skin cancer called malignant melanoma. Types of moles. Normally, there are two types of moles. One is congenital and second is acquired. Congenital nevus is present at birth. These moles may vary in size from small, medium or giant. The giant congenital mole can turn cancerous as they age to adult life. Acquired mole, also called as common mole, are those that develop later in life. Most of these are brown to dark brown and are found in people regularly exposed to sun. These are dome-shaped mole pigmented with a distinct shape and 3 to 6 mm in diameter. These moles are less likely or not likely to turn into cancer. Acquired moles are further differentiated depending on the location of involvement into three: junctional melanocytic nevi, compound nevi and intradermal nevi. Junctional melanocytic nevi located between the epidermis and dermis and are raised uniformly pigmented with a diameter of 2 to 6 mm and have regular borders. Compound nevi. Here the melanocyte proliferates in the epidermis and migrates into the dermis with a maturation of cells in the deep dermis. They are round or oval with slightly raised in the central part and have flattened distinct borders. Intradermal nevi, also called as dermal nevi, are located in the dermis and proliferate in the deeper skin. Hence, they are not pigmented as junctional or compound nevi. They are formed as we age and are flesh-colored, dome-shaped papular nodule. Now, let us know about atypical mole. They are also called as dysplastic nevus. Atypical moles are often odd or irregular shaped, larger than a pencil end or eraser, and appear blurry with mixed color, brown, red, and pink. They are either raised or flat and look like melanoma. However, it is not melanoma but has a high risk of forming melanoma or cancer. They can appear anywhere on the body, often seen on the trunk. High risk of getting melanoma with atypical mole. 4 or more atypical mole having a history of melanoma, first degree relative or parents having melanoma, that is brother, sister or child. Risk factors for moles. Moles that are likely to be cancerous are those that look different than other existing mole or those that first appear after age of 30. Change in mole color, height, size or shape to be noticed. They may also bleed, ooze, itch or become tender or painful. Mole removal treatment. Most moles do not require treatment except for those cosmetically undesired, but some cases require mole removal treatment. Surgical excision is done to remove congenital nevi or larger nevi which require closure of the wound. Same excision with a sterile blade to remove superficial nevi like junctional nevi. Even with punch excision, we can remove junctional nevi. Radiosurgery by Elman is the best and reasonable price treatment to remove the mole and is done by reputed skin professionals. Laser mole removal treatment includes CO2 and Erbiumab laser. Is performed to remove the compound or intradermal nevi. Q-switch Nd:YAG laser can be performed to remove tiny and more superficial nevi like junctional nevi. Among laser treatment, CO2 laser removal by using high intensity beam of light is the best option to remove the mole. Clear Skin Laser Center being the first of its kind in India to use the most advanced DECA Smart Excite Touch CO2 laser for mole removal.